Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make ultimate probiotic yogurt full guide. Heat milk to 180 degrees F, cool to 110 degrees F, add a tablespoon of live starter per quart, and stir gently. Keep the mixture insulated at 110 degrees F for 8-12 hours to develop tang and probiotics. Taste periodically and stop incubation when flavor suits you. Chill for at least 4 hours to set the yogurt and improve texture. Choosing the right starter makes a huge difference in probiotic strength and flavor. Use a live culture store-bought yogurt or a freeze-dried starter with named strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. Add 1 tablespoon of starter to each quart of cooled milk and mix thoroughly. Always save a little from a successful batch to seed the next one, and discard starter after several generations to avoid strain drift. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes a great kitchen companion for setting precise timers and playing soothing music while your yogurt cultures, and it's compact enough to sit on a shelf. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it suits you. Now let's get back to the video. For thicker, creamier yogurt, strain it through cheesecloth for 1-4 hours depending on desired firmness. Avoid adding sugar or fruit before incubation because sweeteners can alter fermentation and promote unwanted microbes. After chilling, gently fold in vanilla, fruit, or a touch of honey for balanced flavor. If you prefer a tangier profile, incubate a bit longer, and for milder yogurt, reduce time or lower incubation temperature slightly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.